Well, I tested this. It's pretty true. And all I need to do now is get a motor. I have some motors. I got flat belt too, so I'll put it to the side or overhead. It works excellent. I tried it with the drill again, but I didn't film it. But yeah, so there you have it. Welcome to my shop. Remember, don't subscribe and never ring that bell. Totally on YouTube. Anyway, got a motor here. And I got another one like that, and I'll put it up here for this guy. It'll be powered. So I did a bit of cleaning on it. Did measurements. It's very accurate, actually. Remember, accuracy is basically the operator. Doesn't matter what you're running. Could be really wonky, but if you're the operator and know what you're doing, like maybe I do, I don't know, things will turn out super accurate. I made a lot of different pieces and parts that were just perfect. So it's a 4-jaw chuck. That's okay, because I get sometimes different pieces machined down. Guess the next step is, well, the motor, of course. Next step is really that I have figured out. I got a number of motors, by the way, and this is again like he's restored. This one I just need to do something, and it's pretty well much done. The only last thing in machine tools, well, I always get another one in, or parts for one. Send me machine tools, please. Thank you. We got machine tools here. You can see these many videos, of course you have. This guy works great. So does he now. Ouch. Into it. He works, everything works here except this fellow, which I'll be working on probably tomorrow. I think it's a matter of just hooking up electricity. Looks basically simple when I looked at it today. This guy works fine now too. Here we have a Bergmaster Doodle Press. It's just one shaft running to the whole mechanism, so it's a matter of, I think this goes down and it goes into some gear system maybe. It gets up there, I'm not sure. I never had one before. I had it for a number of years. I'm going to operating. It's hooked up to 3-phase already. I tried it, but nothing happened, so it looks quite simple to get this thing running. I looked in here. It looks brand new under this cover. And as you can see, it's been used. Of course, I've used this as a table. And what was I going to do? Yeah, this is an emergency switch. I just put it in a series of 3 phases. Yeah, not all that fancy stuff. What do we have here? Oh, circuit 2.46, T20 volts, 3-phase. Yeah, so that goes right into there. This one works great too. Oh, we're getting there. This is a little baby shaper I made a part for. This thing works just perfect. Comes with all the tooling and much more. This guy works fine now. It was in the wintertime. I got the the belts for it and tuned it all up and cleaned it up. This little fellow works great. Heavy shaper. And this guy works. Everything works. So, remember, send me machine tool parts. Or a whole machine tool if you want to, if you're a big fan. Why you're a fan, I have no idea. I just like the challenge of building something out of common metal. Like this thing and parts available. And this guy's really cool. as I mentioned before many times, it used to be a treadle lathe. Woohoo! Yeah. Oh, that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to find out what all these things are for. I'll have to get a serial number. I know I got a bunch of sirens and stuff. What? Oh, I see, okay. Captain, to the bridge. Yes, doctor. This thing I restored. Cleaned that guy up. Built a stand for this 3-inch 50 cannon firing mechanism. This guy puts out 100 watts transceiver. Everything is cool. All right, Barbara, where's my hot chocolate? This guy works too. Oh, works fine. So is he. Got that restored and all that stuff restored. Everything is restoring fast. This was a many months project because it's big. About 1,000 pounds with all the other parts to it. That's what it's going to look up. These things, okay. So, oh, this works great. This works great. The artillery stuff. Heavy Oerlikon mount. Actually, it's meant for dual 50 caliber Brownings. But, I got too many Oerlikons. It needs. Okay, so what else? What else did I stole? Yeah, we're having fun today. Okay.